Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you will learn on how to use ADP Workforce Now for payroll processing. So here, the first thing that you should do is you just have to open any of your web browser, and then using the search bar at the top, you just have to search for adp.com. That's right. So you'd be directed to this website. Then right here we have to sign in or to ask for support so that we can sign up for an account. So what we are going in this video is we are going to launch our self-guided demo so that you'd be able to understand and I can guide you on how to use the payroll services. So here we're just going to click on what we offer and then clicked on this payroll option and then clicked on the payroll overview. After that, clicked on this launch self-guided demo. Then here, how many employees does your company have? So I'm just going to select 1 to 5 employees. Okay, so right here, does your company or employer currently use ADP? So you can select yes or no or click on next. So I'm just going to click on no. Okay, so click on next after that. And here we have to enter our email to launch the self-guided demo. Okay, so I'm just going to type it right here. My email. Okay, so after that, you just have to click on next. Okay, so right here, just one more step. You have to enter your information to launch the self-guided demo now. Okay, so I'm just going to type it right here, my full name. Okay. Then your phone number 765-3455-19. And then your business name. Okay. And then select the number of your employee. So just one, or I'm just going to type it right here, 2. Okay, so plus 639. And after that, you have to select your country right here. Make sure to select the right country. Okay, after that, click on this box right here and then click on the access self-guided demo. 765-3455-19. Okay, so make sure that your phone number is correct as well. Okay, so right here, this is the process payroll, or you can process your payroll in a few simple steps. Okay, so right here, as you can see, when you sign up for an account, you'd be redirected to this section. So you just have to go to the payroll section. After that, click on the run payroll. Okay, so here, pay your people in just minutes with helpful tips that guide you along the way. So don't stress about taxes. Run calculates, deducts, and file your payroll taxes for you. So it can also easily connect Run to your favorite accounting and POS software. Okay, next one is you have here the department, the rate, the regular hours, the salary amount, the overtime hours, and overtime. So here you just have to click on the rate. So here you can pay your employees by the hour or by salary and customize any other earnings or deductions like bonuses, expenses, vacation time, and etc. You can even pay contractors or 1099s. Okay, so after that, just simply click on the next option at the bottom right. Okay, so here we have the AI powered error detection flags potential mistakes. So if this one is not look right to you, so you can click on that option. Okay, so here paying contractors easily. So the next thing that you are going to do here, as you can see at the bottom, we have the approve option. Okay, so once you checked here your payroll, okay, you can see this preview payroll, and then for the cash required, the payroll dates, and then the people. So we have 4 employees, and then here you can see the details of the unpaid, and then we have the employees details right here, the type, the total hours, the gross pay, the taxes. We also have here the deduction, the net pay, and then the employer taxes. So after that, just have to click on approve. So preview your payroll gross to net taxes before you process your payroll to ensure you're paying accurately or make any last minute changes. Okay, so here, once your payroll is approved, you won't be able to make changes. So once you confirm your total amount right here, okay, so you have to take note to avoid additional fees. Make sure that the funds are available in your account before you approve the payroll. So simply click on approve after you checked everything. That's right. So click on the approve option. Okay, so right here we have the payroll summary. So we can view or manage the reports right here. So just simply click on this section. So after processing your payroll, you can view any reports you need. You can also import your payroll data to your accounting system. Okay, so next one, we have here now the reports. So we have here the popular reports. We have the payroll details, payroll summary, pay stubs, payroll liability, earnings record, billing invoices, and etc. So here we're just going to click on the payroll summary. That's right. Okay, so here we have the payroll summary. Okay, so as you can see right here, we have the date. That's right, and then the number of the employees, check date, the name, the hours total paid, the tax withheld, the deductions, the net pay, check number, employer liability, and then your total expenses. Okay, so now let's try the mobile experience. So that was for the desktop experience. So right here, this is your view if you are using your mobile phone and then you are using the ADP Workforce application. So here we have the run payroll options. You just have to simply click on it, and then you have here now your directory or the details of your employees. So here we have to preview the payroll if you're using your mobile. So just simply click on this one. So here you can process payroll securely and with error detection, review and enter payroll information for each employee as needed, then tap the preview payroll option at the bottom right of your screen. Okay, so after that, we have this AI technology helps catch payroll errors you may have made before they could cause your problems. Okay, so next step. So it's just the same with your laptop or you're using your computer, but I'm just showing you that this would be the view if you are also using the ADP Workforce application to your mobile devices. Okay, so you just have to follow this self-guided demo so that you'd be able to understand before you sign up for an account. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.